Hello friends, here I am back with another new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to make face typography. So let's begin without wasting any time. After opening PicsArt, we will go to draw option. There we will select an empty layer and then we will choose a word cloud image and we will set it into screen. Then we will adjust it with our portrait face size. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. After completing the adjusting work, we will merge both the photos and we will bring it down, and we will set the face portrait into darken option, and then we will less the opacity of the word cloud image into 40, and here is our result. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.